Your iPhone keeps track of the locations you visit, and it remembers the places that are significant to you in order to provide helpful location-based information in maps, calendars, photos, and more. While this is designed to be a useful feature, some of you might not like it at all. The good thing is you can choose to completely disable significant locations and even clear the history to safeguard your privacy. If that's exactly what you're looking for, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, scroll down a bit and choose Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services and ensure that the toggle next to Location Services is turned on. Then scroll down a bit and choose System Services. And then select Significant Locations. Now you need to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And if you want to completely disable this feature, make sure to turn off the toggle right next to significant locations. However, if you want to wipe out the stored locations, tap on the Clear History option and confirm the action. Bear in mind that any changes made will apply to all other devices connected to the same iCloud account. That means the significant locations will be completely disabled and the saved locations will be cleared from all your devices linked with the same iCloud account. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily clear significant locations on your iOS or iPad OS device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.